Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantinos Tech. We've got an exciting video today. After 6 long years, we finally have an update to the Powerbeats Pro, the Powerbeats Pro 2. I picked them up in white at Best Buy, and full disclosure, I used my own money. I was not sent a pair of these headphones to review by anyone. So it's been some time since an update for the Powerbeats Pro came out, and I'm incredibly excited. They were my absolute favorite gym headphones, and I just am so happy to finally have a new one available with some improvements to the feature. I'm gonna start off and say, I know that these are not the best headphones. I'm not an audiophile. I know that Beats, of all companies, is not the best headphone manufacturer, but for what they are the best gym headphone. The most important thing for headphones to me are ease of use. Since Beats is owned by Apple, it obviously pairs well with the Apple ecosystem, but they also pair really well with Android. You can sync seamlessly just like you would an iOS device. The other important thing for me is fit. In the gym, I just want it to have a secure, tight fit. I have been using the Beats Fit Pro for some time, but the in-ear bud just isn't as secure as the loop that hooks over your ear. So what are some of the features that come with the Powerbeats Pro 2? First and foremost, they finally have the H2 chip. This means much better connectivity, improvements to things like ANC, noise canceling, transparency mode, and even an adaptive EQ. They also have a fantastic battery life. Without ANC on, the case can get up to 45 hours. And they even can do up to 10 hours on a single charge per bud. It also has some type of fast charge where in 5 minutes you can get up to 1.5 hours of playback time. One feature that I'm not too excited for is the heart rate monitor. I'll be honest, I've seen a couple other reviews talking about how it's inaccurate and it's not the best feature. I will review this and test it, but I'm still gonna use my Apple Watch. To be honest, I would rather they didn't put it in and made it cheaper. Speaking of price, the price for these things is $250. My guess for my conclusion is gonna be the same after I actually use them, and that is way too much money for these headphones. So don't be impatient like me and wait for a sale. Let's crack this box open and try them out. First and foremost, shout out to Mrs. Konstantinos Tech for the amazing gift. Absolutely love this. Gotta love 3D printed stuff. All right, let's jump into this unboxing. We have the Powerbeats Pro 2 in white. Gotta have the orange jerry-rig everything knife for the unboxing. I know it has a pull tab. I'm gonna use the knife anyway. We'll do a little unbox. Take that right off. Oh, interesting, it's actually connected. There we go. This is actually made out of paper. So nice recyclable material. And there we go. The beautiful off-white, almost like an oyster white, Powerbeats Pro 2. The case is substantially smaller. You finally get USB-C. And in here we have the beautiful headphones. Before we connect it, let's actually see what else is in the box. In here we have some user manuals, and there's an extra set of ear tips. So in case you are sensitive to the sizing of silicone tips, you get extra small, small, large, and extra large. I'm gonna stick with the medium because they fit well in my AirPods Pro 2, but good to know that they have it. Let's see, is there a cable? Unfortunately, it does not come with a USB-C cable. I'm very surprised by that and kind of disappointed. First they take our charging bricks, and now no charging cables. I actually am very happy I picked up this color. I like it a lot. It's a little more fun than the standard black, but I wasn't too keen on the orange. So let's dive straight into the pairing with an iPhone. Here's my 16 Pro, and let's see how long it takes to pair. That is just so instant. That's why I love the connectivity between Apple products. The ecosystem is just so great. It looks like you have a little tutorial with media playback and some other elements. We can just skip that right there. I'll take a look at the heart rate shortly. And one thing that I love is that the introductions and the tutorial actually matches the color that I have here. It's just the little things. And there we go. It is all set up. So let's get a closer look at the headphones themselves. It's a bit smaller than the previous Powerbeats. The magnet is nice and strong, and honestly easier to put back in the charging case than the first round. Man, I am so happy with this color. I truly love it. There is the heart rate sensor right there. Let me try and focus that. You can see it, and apparently it shines green when it's active. There's the magnets, and apparently the vents are improved, and there are physical controls for volume, and this is a button as well. So one button, volume up and down, heart rate sensor, and ventilation. And it's the same on the other one, which is great. You get buttons on each one. You can use them independently if you need to take calls or whatever you need to do. And I'm going to try them out, and then I'll give you some thoughts. I've been using the Powerbeats Pro 2 for the last couple hours, and I have some thoughts. First and foremost, I want to give myself credit because I thought my conclusion would be exactly what it would be before I started, and that they are absolutely no means an AirPods Pro 2 replacement, but they are a good replacement for the Beats Fit Pro. They're comfortable in the ear with the hook around the ear, and they are very secure. The sound quality is just straight up not as good as the AirPods Pro 2. I feel I could put the AirPods Pro 2 on an airplane and be comfortable throughout the entire thing and enjoy it, while the Powerbeats, although they feel a little bit louder and the bass is punchier, it's almost like it's a little tinnier and not as good of a sound quality. And again, I'm not an audiophile, and that's what I was able to draw from it. Some of the features like the heart rate sensing are a little gimmicky to me, and I will try and test that more as I use them. One thing I also want to call out, the microphone quality is not as good on the Powerbeats Pro 2 as the AirPods Pro 2. I'll put a sample here. This is a sample of the microphones on the Powerbeats Pro 2. Test, test, test. How do the mics sound? Hello, hello. This is the test of the microphones on the AirPods Pro 2. Test, test, test. Hello, hello. I find this to be the case with most Beats products. I'm not purchasing them to be on long calls. They're just for the gym. Overall, in terms of value, which what this channel is all about, bringing value to tech. It's a great device, but it's too expensive. $249 is just too much for what this is. So wait for a sale, try and get them for under $200, which they will be available for. In the meantime, you can get AirPods Pro 2 for less than $200 as well. So I would truly wait for some type of discount off the Powerbeats Pro 2. That being said, it still is the best gym headphone because of the fit. It fits so nicely, it's so secure, and if you are entrenched in the iOS ecosystem, it's just seamless. Whether you're switching to your iPad or your MacBook, it is so easy to just move your audio, and it's kind of a nice additional feature. I'm sure there's some other buds from Sennheiser, Bose, Jabra, whoever it may be that have better fitness buds, but the user integration, ease of use, and the fit for the Powerbeats Pro 2 make these worth it when they're on sale for me. This is Konstantinos with Konstantin Knows Tech, and remember, life's short. Buy tech.